Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Apple Pencil case for second generation Apple Pens. I bought this product from Elago. So as you can see, it has a hole that you can double tap, soft silicone and a cap, so it looks almost like a pencil kind of feel and look. So yeah, I removed the packaging. Yes, so here you can see this is the Apple Pencil case. So this is the back cover, which looks almost like a real eraser, and here you can see the company kept a cardboard pipe just to support it, otherwise it's soft dental. Thank you for watching.